Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Anna. I wanted to share with you a little something that I have made. I am in a swap and the name of the swap is the 12 days of Christmas in July. Let me see, 12 days of Christmas. It just says 12 days of Christmas swap. Okay, but it's in July. Anyway, one of the things that I have made for my partner is a banner with her name on it. And let me tell you, I know I've shared a couple of other projects with this die from Andy's store, and I just love this die. And I have another, idea on something to make this die. So I used, of course, the largest one. I don't think I used any of the corners, but I used the largest die. And yeah, it's an amazing size, so I just love it. So that is the die that I have used, and this is what I have made. And let me, instead of bringing this up, let me see if I can. Okay, zoom in a little bit. So I have backed it with some poster board. You guys know I love my poster board. So I cut it in white, and then I cut it in pink and just glued it to the top. And so it makes it nice and sturdy. And on the top, I just put a bow with seam binding, and I put some bling here on the top. Her style is shabby chic. She likes shabby chic. So yeah, we're great partners. And right here, I just put some trim at the bottom. I think I had told you guys that I needed to start using my my stash. So that is what I've done. Most of this comes from things I didn't have to go out and buy anything for this. So I put the Eiffel Tower in black silhouette, some flowers. This flower comes from Daiso. And then these I had in my stash, and this one is a Hobby Lobby flower. And then these little butterflies that I used, mine is, I have a punch for the real small one. I did go out and get a larger punch. These were sent to me by Linda. And Linda, if you're watching, thank you, hon. I have used quite a few of them already. She sent me a variety of colors. And so yeah, I used a butterfly. So most of the butterflies are different on here. This green leaf came with this flower. Oh, sorry guys. This green leaf, it's mulberry paper, and it came with this flower right here in a package. And these little things right here are the little tiny table scatter sequins that Donna had sent me, and I know I shared that with you guys. And she also sent me this little diamond-like bling pieces, so I just put one right there in the center, and I thought that came out so cute. So anyway, and then I cut the letters with, I just purchased, okay, like remember I just told you that my computer went out, so I was gonna cut it with my Cricut, but my computer wasn't working. So I went out. I know I had seen this at Tuesday morning, and I just dropped the low blade, but I had seen this at Tuesday morning, and so I went out and I did buy this. So yeah, it takes a little bit of practice to use these, and I'll if you want me to go over, a tutorial, this is where the blade goes, but I just dropped it. If you want me to do a tutorial for you guys, I will show you how this works. It's really not that difficult. So it is a little bit confusing, when you first pull it out of the package, but overall it's not bad. So anyway, and so I cut the T out, or the letters, with the alphabet punch board, and then I popped it up on a dimensional foam. And these little sequins, again, Donna sent me these little flowers, and I just used those little tiny, I don't know if you can see that, The little tiny little bling pieces that I had gotten. I want to say I got it from the Alina Cuddle store. If I can remember, I'll put a link at the bottom in the description box. So anyway, that, and then this paper, I used the Parisian Lane paper pad from Recollections. So I was going to go all the way to the top with the, you know, just cut the another one of the dies and then just go all the way to the top. But you know, no, I didn't. I just went, you know, to the main area because I wanted it to look, you know, just a little more interesting. So anyway, I used, excuse me, I used some silver trim that I had gotten at Michael's. And then I used this bling piece that, again, I believe I got from the Alina Cuddle store. And then these cute little flowers here are crocheted, and that was sent to me in a swap. And I just put a bling piece in the center, and that, of course, you know, I just cut that, put it in the center, guys. Let me tell you, my glue was on, everything's glued on, and I accidentally glued it onto the wrong side of the trim. Look at that. This is the right side, this is the wrong side. So, you know, things happen. So anyway, and all the panels are the same, except, again, for the little butterflies, there's the T, her name is Teresa, T. There's the E, here's the R, and the letters, you know, they come out pretty good. And it's kind of hard to show you, so I'm going to put it up on, I'm going to hang it up and let you see what it actually looks like hung up. And the other E, the S is a little, just a tiny bit tricky. I had to actually do this one 3 times, guys, 3 times. And this was the final cut. And then the A. So yeah, let me go put it up and show you guys what it looks like. I just love how this turned out, guys. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look. Oh, that is so pretty. Love how it turned out. I hope she likes it because I simply love it. Okay. All right, guys. So if you have any questions, let me know. And I will probably do a tutorial on the alphabet punch board. I know it's not a brand new item, but you know, sometimes I wish there was a tutorial to where I could see something before I purchase it. So that will probably be my next tutorial. Anyway, this is part of a swap. I hope you have enjoyed me sharing Teresa's banner, and I will talk to everyone later. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you.